Good morning, all. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. All right, so as we look and see what's going on, obviously the craziness of President Trump's words yesterday, where Palestinians should move out of Gaza, all of them, and he's going to develop it into the jewel of the Mediterranean and make it the Riviera. Okay, if you believe any of that, the absurdity of the statement, you got real problems. Obviously, it met with condemnation, but I think everybody understands it's tongue-in-cheek. Nothing seems to get resolved, but the president did hit on something important. If you take a look at the destruction, I saw that to just remove the rubble and get rid of everything, we're talking decades. We're talking, if you can imagine, the waste that has been done, and there's nothing left there. And the message Israel sent was very clear. Don't mess with us. If you do, the price is going to be exponentially a disaster. And that, whether right or wrong, I'll leave to others, but that is what's going on. So we also had other snafus. Yesterday, they stopped taking in packages from Hong Kong and other parts of Asia due to the tariffs. Well, today they're rescinding that because of all the snafus that is causing. So you got to understand that this tariff war and all that's going on, it's happening fast. It seems like President Trump's been in office a year. It's just over 2 weeks, and it's already pretty chaotic. I think you'd agree with that. Looks like the other 2 cabinet members are going to get in. That is the word that we're getting from Capitol Hill. We had the mortgage market numbers come out, and they came out up 2.2%. Okay, people that have to buy are buying. The purchase index by itself was down, but the refi was up. So I don't know how they got up to that number, but there's the math ways there. ADP, the private sector jobs grew by 33,000 more than the expected. Now remember, this is against 122,000. So it's a big jump. It's a third of a jump. When you take a look at the trade balance, I thought it would be near 100 billion. It came in at 98.4, greater than the expected 96.8. And we're going to get the EIA stocks a little later today. So when we take a look at the marketplace, it was lower earlier, and suddenly we're starting to see you're getting a bid into the Russell, you're getting a bid into the Dow, you're down in the NASDAQ today, and you're down in the S&P. Now remember, you're looking at companies like Alphabet, and the market is questioning hard. All this spending, $79 billion they're budgeting for this year, where's the payback? Things of that nature. The gold market up on the inflation scenario and the falling dollar. At the same time, gold's getting a benefit because interest rates continue to fall. And if you look at the 10-year at 109.16, that's under the 4.47 level. Remember, they were just saying we're going to 5%? Now we're back under the 4.5 into the 4.4 area. Market falling there. Sort of a mixed bag happening through here. The Goldman roll is beginning in a number of markets. So you got to start looking at open interest and volume in your marches as you roll out of these into certain other markets. I started showing that in this morning's subscriber video to people. And in Bitcoin, the market about unchanged this morning. It's tried the 97,000 level. You know, if it really wants to extend to the downside, 92, 91 could be a number you look at. And all the energy's coming under some selling pressure today, as you can see. The question is, can you crack 70 in the WTI? 75's been a target number in the Brent. Remember, we were up near 80, so it has slipped back about $5. Got to see what that's all going to mean. It's not a day that's going to be one where I think you get a lot of shocks to the market. The market, though, is off-center. It's sort of wobbling in different areas. You go to bed one time, you wake up, and the market's a different market on you in some of these. So pay attention to that. I'll be with you at the end of the trading day reviewing all this. In the meantime, have a great day. I'll catch up with you later.